clear this question? What I've done, I'm equating gamma. So we got equation, quadratic equation in terms of sine theta. Okay. So with help of factorization, we found sine theta value. One of the value does not belongs to given interval. We cannot consider. One value only we can consider. So only two possibilities are there. That is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, right? Next question. Okay, students, see here, they are asking simply alpha value. To find alpha value, they given two conditions. One is 3 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Okay, first, the given equation completely you can change it to alpha. You have to eliminate this theta. To eliminate this theta, this is 32 tan power 8 theta. Tan power 8 theta. So first with help of this 3 cos 2 theta, I want to find tan theta value. After finding the tan theta, here I want to substitute tan theta here. Then we'll get a equation in terms of alpha. So look at here. First I'm taking 3 cos 2 theta. 3 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 they given.
The tan 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2 root 2, sir.
Okay. So what is your cos 2 theta? Is there any formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan?
1 minus tan square theta by
Sir,
1
1 minus tan square theta.
Okay, right. Now it is equal to 1. Now simplify this. 3 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to cross multiply 1 plus tan square theta. Now 4 tan square theta is equal to 2. Tan square theta is equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta is equal to, students, plus or
1 by
minus
root 2.
1 by root 2. Plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay, fine. So, okay, why don't we write tan square theta alone? Because tan square theta, okay, 1 by 2. With help of that, what is tan power 8 theta? Because, in the given...
1 by 2 the whole power 4, sir. 1 by 16.
Yeah, 1 by root 2 whole power 8, that is nothing. But 1 by
16.
16. It is because tan power 8 it is a positive only. So now can you tell me what is the condition they given? 32 tan power 8 theta is equal to?
Sir, instead of doing this, can we do cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 3 and we can form a triangle and find the value, no, sir?
But we need to find here alpha values only, no?
Okay.
Alpha value we need to find, not theta value. Okay. So 2 cos square alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Okay, right. Now substitute here. Yes, 32 times of 1 by 16 is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So which implies 2 cos square alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Yeah, what is the remaining one when I cancel here?
Minus 2.
2, if minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, no, again same as it is. Find the cos alpha values. Yeah, students. Is a
Sir, 2 and
quadratic.
minus 1 by 2, sir.
So it is a quadratic
2
equation.
cannot be possible, sir, for cos.
What are the factors somewhere here?
Sir, 4 comma minus 1.
Minus
4,
4, 1.
Minus 4, 1. Then cos alpha values are? Cos alpha 1 value is minus 4 means plus
4 by
4 by
2,
2.
minus 1 by 2.
So minus 1 by 2.
4 by 2
So
is
4
not
by
possible,
2.
sir.
Yes. Cos alpha
Sir,
is
not like between 1 and minus 1 only, sir. So 4 by 2 will not come, sir.
okay. So does not belongs to, so this is not correct, possible. So then cos alpha is equal to negative. Cos alpha is negative, so no.
Order we can take, sir. Pi plus pi by 3.
They are asking is general solution form here. They did not ask the particular values. Even see here alpha value they are asking, but they did not mention any particular interval, so that we need to find a general solution. Since we know that, first you should find the y value. So cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means cos is
60.
5/3.
pi by 3. Cos alpha is equal to,
Sir,
shall I
least
write?
value can be 5/6.
Yes, pi minus 180 minus, because to
5 by 3,
cancel,
sir.
yeah, pi by 3. Because if you want to cancel
Sir,
cos
we,
and
we
cosine,
can also say that in second quadrant it will be negative, so cos 180 minus theta, and we can substitute for
that's
that.
all, that's all, that's all. So now cos get cancelled. Alpha is equal to the least value is
2
uh,
pi by 3.
2 per 120, 2 pi by 3. So right, whenever it is 2 pi by 3, what is the general solution? X is
2n pi
equal,
plus or minus 2 pi by 3, sir.
yes, 2n pi plus or minus y. Am I right? Nothing but in the same way, alpha is equal to 2n pi. Here we're getting 2 pi by 3, so plus or minus 2 pi by 3. That's all. This is the general solution. This is just one of the alpha value. Okay, alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3 is just one of the alpha value. So if you want to know the all solutions is given by 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. So which of the option is correct, students? Second, right. Next, yeah, this is again very easy question actually. Cos 20 is equal to k. Cos x is equal to 2k square. This is very simple to find. I'll explain you how we'll do. What is cos x? They given amount. Cos
2k
20
square minus
is,
1.
yeah, cos x is equal to 2k square minus 1. Now all of you substitute here k value 2. K square means, shall I write cos square 20 minus 1? Okay, what is 2? It is in the form of anyone?
Sir,
Cos
2 cos square theta minus 1.
What is 2 cos square theta minus 1 formula?
Cos 2 theta, sir.
theta.
So it is
Cos 2
cos
theta.
10.
Hey, cos not 10,
Sir,
cos
40.
40, right? Cos x is equal to cos 40. When I cancel this, x is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, x is equal to 40 means x should lies between 0 to 360. Then another angle is, see, what about cos value is 40. Cos is positive. Actually, 40 is belongs to first quadrant. So cos is positive. And cos is positive in another quadrant. Which
Fourth
quadrant cos?
quadrant, sir.
Fourth
Quadrant.
quadrant is 360
Fourth quadrant.
minus
Theta.
theta. Theta value already we got 40. Least value is 40. What is the another value? 3.
320 degrees.
That's all. Okay, so the answer is third option. See here, it is not 140. Actually, directly we got one of the option is 40. Second option also 40 is there, 140 is there. 140 is again negative. 140 is belongs to second quadrant, cos is negative. We should not consider 140. But when you take 320 fourth quadrant cos is positive. 40 first quadrant, positive, cos 40. And cos 320 also will give same value like that. Is that clear, Amma? Right. It is a simple question. Yes, students. Okay, students, right. Next one is the equation cos p minus 1 into x square cos p into x is sin p. So clearly it is a quadratic equation where x is a variable with real roots. Here, this is real roots. Then the interval p may be any one of the following, right? So can you tell me what is the equation they given? Yes.
Cos
Cos p
p
minus.
minus 1 x square
Okay.
plus cos px
Okay.
plus sin p.
Is equal to 0. What about x here?
The real
Real.
roots means they are greater than 0, sir.
Yes, yes. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the roots are real. When the roots are real, what about the discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Am I right, students? Okay, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Take as capital D or else you can take as lambda also, no problem. Okay, b square minus 4ac always greater than or equal to 0. Either the discriminant may be equal to 0, the discriminant may be greater than 0.
Real roots, sir.
It's for real roots. Here also same. So you have to take p square minus 4ac value is greater than or equal to 0. What is the a value? A value cp minus 1 and b value is cos p, c value is sin p. Yeah. Compare and substitute the values. Yes, students. What is a value? B value, C value. A substitute here, B square. B square means cos square P minus 4 into A, CP minus 1, cos P minus 1, sin P greater than or equal to 0. Yeah. Now, in the question, they are asking about the interval of P, right? Okay. Yeah. Tell me here, according to this, for what value of P here, it will be students.
Sir, we can substitute the options, sir.
Substitute the option. That's all. That is the
Sir,
reason I'm asking.
cos 0 means cos 90 means 0, sir.
Cos 90 means, sorry.
Can you show the answer only, sir?
You won't answer. Yeah, anyone sixth, what is the correct answer?
Sir, 90 will not come, sir. So third option we can eliminate, sir.
See here, simple. Fourth option they given. Sixth one. Got it? Up to here it is enough. I already tried. It is always positive. Cos square will be there. Square always greater than 0. With help of
When we substitute p equal to 90, it is coming 0, sir. Then we can say 0 will be there, sir.
okay. Options are negative values here minus 182 here because minus 182 0 also correct whenever you having only cos terms, but sin p is there. So for sin it is a negative for negative values. When I take sin minus 60 minus sin 60, sin of minus 90 minus of sin 90, so
Odd
that
function.
odd functions we cannot. Okay. Then here minus 90 to 90. Just do it fast. Twins. No one.
So 90 is also possible, sir. They have given open bracket 5/2, sir. So we can say 4,000.
See, already, see, the thing is open bracket 0 to pi. They given the option. Why, my question is why the fourth option is correct? Why can't we consider any one of the other options? That is my question.
The first option is also right.
First option is also right. Is it right?
Sir, if we substitute 90, sir,
Okay.
we are getting, we substitute 90, we are getting the normal amount.
Okay. When I multiply with minus here, I will get like this. So the thing is already cos square p is greater than or equal to 0 always. So 4 into 1 minus cos p into sin p also must be greater than or equal to 0. Here there are two cases will be there. 1 minus cos p is greater than or equal to 0 and sin p also greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus cos p is lesser than or equal to 0. Sin p also lesser than or equal to 0. Am I right? When negative into negative, it will be positive. Overall, we need to positive. Either both will be positive or both will be negative. For that, what is the positive and what is the, for what value of p it will be greater than 0. That is important. When you take here 0 to pi, when once you look at here, it must be positive. 0 to pi, you know, cos is in second quadrant. What about cos?
Negative, sir.
Negative. So in second quadrant, negative into already minus cos p is there. In first quadrant, it is positive. Okay, fine. Okay, sin p is clear. See, sin p clearly positive 0 to pi. 0 to pi. It is positive already. Now just we need to check this value, whether it is positive or not. So clearly from 0 to pi, so 1 minus cos p always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, greater than or equal to 0. But when you take the third quadrant, what will happen? See, here you may get doubts why first quadrant is 0 to pi. First option is wrong. It is absolutely wrong because you know if you take third quadrant overall we should not get here positive. Okay, third quadrant pi to 182 270. So what about sin? Sin negative. Sin is negative. 1 minus cos p, okay, 1 minus cos p is greater than or equal to 0, but sin p is negative overall. Overall, is it positive or negative? 4 into 1 minus cos p is greater than or equal to 0, but sin p is clearly negative. Positive into negative,
So
we are
into
getting
negative
less.
will be the answer.
Yes, but we required greater than or equal to 0. Is that possible in third quadrant? Is that possible even fourth quadrant? Never, because sin p is negative. And why we cannot consider that here means again the same reason sin is negative, minus pi to 0. Here also same reason, minus pi by 2 means sin is negative at minus 90, minus 60, minus 30 like that. Clear, student? That is the reason we cannot consider the first three options. Well, how many questions are there? 21 questions are there. Okay. Okay, next question. Next question is in a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is 2 root 2 times of the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex. okay, to the hypotenuse, then the other two angles are okay. This question you can try, students. Say I'm telling you know this quadratic trigonometric equations is very important as well as very easy. Once you can see that hint also, you'll get a complete idea about this. Okay. So just 1 minute is there.